Hello friends, I'm Parviz and this is our 38th video in Python GUI development with PyQt5. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a QCalendar in PyQt5. So we will create a nice calendar using QCalendar class. So before starting our main topic about PyQt5, I have a new YouTube channel. So the name of my YouTube is Android Knowledge. I add Android development series in this channel. If you're interested in Android technology, you can subscribe to my this new channel, and you can get the latest update about Android development using Java, Kotlin, and also we will learn about using C# Xamarin Android development. So you can subscribe to this new channel, and in every week I add 4 or 5 videos in Android development. So now this is my PyCharm ID, and we are going to start our main topic. Now the first thing I need, I'm going to copy my code. So this is the just simple window code, and I want to copy this and paste it in here. So I need to just change the title to calendar. Okay. Now if you run this, you will see that I have a nice window. Okay, now you can see that this is the window. So let me just change this to 400, the width and height. So the height should be 300. Okay. Now after this, we need some imports before. I need to change this to Q dialog. So Q dialog, I need a VBox layout, and I need a Q calendar widget. Also I need Q label. Okay, so let me change this to Q dialog. Okay, now in here, so the first thing I need, I'm going to create calendar. So I call it calendar. Now let me create a VBox layout, Q VBox layout. Now I want to create the calendar object. So self.calendar Q calendar widget, and self dot so now this is my calendar, and now I want to add this to my vertical box. So add widget, and I want to add the self dot calendar and self dot set layout to my VBox layout. Okay, now let me just call this method in my main window class. So self dot calendar. Okay, and so this is okay. Now I want to run this, and hopefully I get a calendar. So now this is our calendar, you can see, and you can change the color, the calendar date, and you can see that this is February 2019, and you can change from here. So now you can see our calendar. There is no grade for our calendar. If you want to add a grade for this, you can simply make this self dot calendar dot set grade visible, and you can see that it takes a boolean variable. I want to make it true, so by default it is false. Let me run this. Okay, now you can see that we have a grade in here. Because of my graphic I don't see any grade, but you will see a grade in here. Okay, so also we have a signal in QCalendar class that is called on selection change. Now how you can use that, so let me just in here I want to create a label. So self.label QLabel, and let me for right now give hello. Self.label dot I want to change the font of my this label, so set font Qt GUI dot Q font, and this is sans serif, and the font should be 15. Also self dot label dot set style sheet, and the color I want to give green, and I want to add this to my VBox layout. So now let me just run my application. Now you can see we have a label in here. Let me just remove this text because I don't need to this text anymore. Okay, now let me just create a method in here, so a slot on selection changed. First I need to get the data from the calendar, so you can use dot selected data and self dot label, and I want to set this to label, set text, convert this to str ca. Okay, and in here you need to connect this, so self dot calendar dot selection changed dot connect and self dot on selection changed. Now I'm going to run this. This is our complete code. So if I choose a date, you can see that this is the information from our date, and like this you can choose. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.